Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can mute TikTok when you open the app. So if you guys forgot to turn down your volume, your phone volume and open the TikTok apps, oftentimes the videos are too loud, and if you are on the public space, it might be embarrassing. And here I'm going to show you how you can mute the apps when you open it. So just open your TikTok apps and then go to your profile. Then here click on the three lines icon at the top right corner and then click on the settings and privacy. Now if you scroll down, there will be this playback option, and here is the open TikTok on mute settings. So videos will be muted by default when you open TikTok. So if you enable this, you can easily mute the videos, and if you want to unmute, you can just tap on it or use your device volume controls. So you can just go back and the settings will be saved. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.